My name's Andrew and this is
Uni.
And today we're going to be doing an online tutorial on how to draw a
Woof woof dog.
We're going to be drawing a dog. There's going to be something a little bit different with what we're doing. How are we going to be drawing this dog?
With scribbles.
We're going to be using scribbles to make a dog. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for notifications. And don't forget, if you enjoy what you watch, please give us a thumbs up. Okay then, shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, so first of all, we're not going to use black, we're going to use a colour. So I'm going to use a grey and you're going to use a brown. Yeah? Are you any good at scribbling?
Yes.
So in the middle of the rectangle, yeah, that's right, we're going to scribble a rectangle shape. Roughly. The rougher the better, really. Yeah, so like that, and then stop. Okay. And now we're going to do a rectangle this way, like that. Kind of try to get it more at an angle. That's alright, because we'll do the other leg at that angle, okay? Because I'm going to do another one this way. So if you do that one this way, it'll make it look more like he's walking. Okay? And we're going to do another two this way and this way. Okay? That's fantastic. The dog's looking really good already. Now we need to do another sort of rectangle from this angle. For the tail. Perfect. And then just over here we're going to do another rectangle, but wider one, at this angle. So something like that. Okay. And then to do the ears, we're going to do a bit that way and a bit that way. Okay. Right, so let's change colour. So why don't you use an orange? And what colour shall I use? I'll use this colour. We're doing some more scribbling, but don't do it so close together. So kind of, look, you watching?
Yeah.
Yeah, wider apart. Yeah, so we're adding some texture into the shaggy hair, like that. Okay, and then let's pick another tone.
I need this stuff.
Don't use the black,
No,
because we've got to do the
for
face.
the inside of the ear.
Use, what about a darker colour? What about using yellow? Use a yellow, use a light yellow colour. What shall I use?
But it doesn't.
It shows up? Does it not show up?
No.
Okay, I'll use a blue.
I'll use maybe like a red.
That looks good. Okay. Now don't worry, because what we're doing is we're just building up a bit of texture. Okay? So that the fur looks more fluffy. Okay? That's looking good. Right, so now we need to do the face. So to do the face, I want to get the black and do two little dots up here. And then just here we want to do a triangle just down that end, like that. Okay? Like a triangle shape. Yeah, alright, round circle's good. What we want to do next is we kind of do like a W, so you kind of curl
Like that.
and curl. That's it, perfect, okay? And then we've got to remember to do the claws, so do claws at the end of his feet. Okay, I might put a little bit of black just in there to pick his ear out. And yours looks good, but I might give him a little bit of a neck just to join it up a bit, okay?
Can I help?
Yeah, I think now you can decorate it, can't you? Yeah. Wow, what a fantastic picture of a dog. Can I have a high five? That is amazing. And what's so good about it is it's all done with a scribble. That's fantastic. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you want notifications of further tutorials. And don't forget, if you enjoy what you see, give us a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Goodbye.